Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class we will discuss about tree maps. In our previous classes we have done some examples on bar plots, histograms and remaining things. This is a continuation class. Please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete Python for data science. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, let's take an example and understand tree maps. Tree maps are used to represent or visualize our hierarchical data in rectangular boxes, in nested rectangular boxes. This is how we use these tree maps. Let's take an example and understand. That is the better way to understand the graphs. In our example, this is the data set which we are following. This data is superstore data set. Hoping that you already know what our data set is, because we explained this data set in our previous classes. We are applying this data set in all our examples. So in this data set we are going to take pd.data frame group by region subcategory. We are taking the region and subcategory, taking the means nested levels of multi-indexing group by function is applied, and on the sales we are taking the sum of sales according to the region and category. In this region we are having four different types of regions: central, east, west and south. Each region is having a subcategory value called accessories, appliance, and the sum of sales are considered. This is the data set which we are going to apply. So we will construct a tree map on this data. In order to take the data, we have given import plotly. We will use the function to construct the tree map. We will use the module called plotly. So in our previous class when we discussed about remaining examples, we already installed the plotly package, plotly module. So if you don't install the plotly module, install the plotly module using a pip install plotly. So from that plotly we are taking px, plotly.express as considered as px.treemap of df. We are taking the df data frame. No need to divide the data by using the group by function. Plotly will automatically take that consideration. If you give the data frame and if you mention the path is equal to the list of categories which we considered, region and subcategory is considered, comma values. Which values you have to consider? We have to consider the sales. So that is what we mentioned. Values is equal to sales. So the sum will be considered automatically, and the region and subcategory is considered. From the region and subcategory, sum of the sales will be taken. So this px.treemap function will return a function, return an object of type figure. So this is the figure. This object will be returned. On this object we can apply different methods that are present on that. So let's take a few examples how to modify these colors and all these. So this is the tree map. Let's try to understand the tree map. This is the region. In the region we are having west, central and east and south. In these regions we are considering the different subcategories, chairs, tables, accessories, all these are considered. So according to the sum of sales, so maximum to least, that is how the tree map will consider. Maximum is taken in the first one, the next one is like that. Less means according to the descending order, and it is constructing based on the sum of the sales. This is how tree maps are used, so that we will have an idea. Okay, in the west shades are going very much, in the east phones are going very much, because the highest one is having a phones. In the central region chairs are moving. In the south phones are moving. East and south phones are going very much, means the sales, we are having much sales on the phones. This is how we will use this tree map. So let's try to understand different colors, how to apply different colors, and how to use the methods that are related to the object that returned by our tree map function in the plotly package. So px.treemap will return an object, a figure object. If you take this figure object and you can use the fig.update traces of root color is equal to light gray. This is the root color. This root color is modified to light gray color by using this option. Root color is equal to light gray. Update underscore traces method will be used. And if you want to change the layout, figure.update layout of margin is equal to t is equal to 250, means top. From the top 250 positions will be left. So that's why the figure is compressed down. from the left 250, right 250, bottom 2. So that's why our figure has been changed to. So remaining white space is there. You can move the figure, you can move the margins. That is how we will use this method update layout using the option called margin by mentioning the T, L, right, left, right, bottom and top. This is how we mention we will change our figure layout. And if you want to change the color of the root color, light gray, root color is given as light gray, we will use the option update underscore traces of, not the option, it's the method update underscore traces is used to mention the root color. Coming to the next example, giving different colors to different regions. So figure px.treemap of fig.update traces of root color is equal to black. We have mentioned that root color as black, that's why we got it as black. And we can use some options here. Values is equal to sales, color is equal to subcategory. According to the subcategory, give the colors. Means based on different subcategories, will apply the different colors. Color discrete map is equal to, we can use this operation, means this parameter color discrete map is equal to, so the one level above is given as a gray color, light gray is given to this, and chairs are given gold color, tables are given black color. Like that you can mention all the options, all the categories can be mentioned. Here we have mentioned only two. Chairs is equal to gold, tables is equal to black, and this one level up means west, east, central, all these are given a light gray color. Okay, this is how we will mention. This is how this is the green color, chairs is equal to gold, and tables is equal to black color. Remaining it will choose according to its options. We did not mention any color to the remaining objects. Okay, this is how we will give colors. Hope you understand this concept. This concept of tree map, this is used much in our data science. So please follow our playlist from the beginning. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.